Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to use a node package manager. That's actually you can generate some startup names. So this library is actually published from 8 years ago, and I don't know how we will use that in Node in React environment, but we can try to do that. And whether it's going to be a successful or not, let's see. So I am not done these things, so I need to do these things, so for future things or something. But I thought I will create a video on the same time, so this will have some idea, this will get some idea about these things. So let me take my project on folder and we will go from there. So here the projects, and I am going to take the React projects. That's a place I usually working on. I have so many React projects here. So let me have a terminal here. So yes, and I have some pre entered query. So here is the thing, where is my create app query? So you need to just change the name. So I guess business generator, I guess that's the same that we are going to. Maybe I will create a name generator, because I already generated the app, but I have not done anything. That's my understanding, but I am not sure about that too, because this library I got 2 days or 3 days back. I did something, then I thought I will do the rest of the things later, and I am not sure how we will do in React. That's the biggest question, whether we can do in React or not. Since it is a JavaScript library and not depend on any servers, whether they are calling some servers from the back end. In that case, also it will work, but not sure. So let's see what we can do in that case. So let me open Visual Studio Code. That's the first place we are need to go. Then file, new window. Let me open the generator project here. So projects, where is our React project? So React, lot of things is here. I need to clean all of this stuff from my computer. Then only business name generator. I didn't see any business generator here. So probably that was, I don't know, from maybe in some other places I created. I am not sure. So here I have the project ready, and right now what we need to do, we are going to the new terminal and we are going to use that library. That's the thing we are trying to do in this case. So let me copy this one, go back here, click on this one, install this one, and we will try to use some examples from here itself. So not sure whether we can do that. Try to code pen or run fit. Okay, so this is use source code. So you can see how they are generating all of these things. So in the JavaScript side, they are getting the value, and they have startup name generator. This is the way they are called in the library. So we can try to do in the same way, but let's see whether it's gonna work or not. So that's the first question in this kind of scenarios. So I'm just putting some input, and if it is working, we are done. We have our missing function declaration. That's not the thing. Probably import import the exact thing. I'm not sure whether it's gonna work, but if this won't work, we'll try some generative AI stuff. I mean, I will use the ChatGPT to find out whether it's gonna work or not. Sometimes ChatGPT will find the things, but not sure that's gonna happen in this case. So this is the way we are usually okay. Guess we need to give like this or not find declaration. Yes, that's not possible. Let me do one thing. We are going back to the description. Going back to here. So, and I will ask ChatGPT whether it's possible to do that. So, if I stack in this kind of scenario, usually ask the help from ChatGPT. Not sure whether it's gonna work or not, but at least we will get some ideas. So here, yeah, here we have all of these things. So I probably create a new component in this. In this case, I just follow everything that provider in the chat GPT. Then let's see whether it's gonna work or not. So we don't need to do everything on the uh, app.tsx instead of we can go to create a new component. So this is actually a reactor. I don't need any reactor. I need a component. So the component name I will use the same. That's why I can copy the same things ChatGPT generated and make sure at least that will work. So if that's working, we are done. So here, this is not TSF. So install. So you need to provide some input in the input area and you can generate the result, but that's not our subject. Our subject is like we can generate these things, right? We can style component. I have no styles component. I have CSS component, that's fine. CSS is there, none for the default path. I am okay with that one. Do you like to create a corresponding station? Yes. Do you like to create a corresponding test file? No. I don't need any stories. I don't need any lazy files. And I don't even know what is lazy files. So here I copy this one. Could not find a declaration file for material. So let me run this once again to make sure we are doing the stuff correctly, right? So still is showing could not find location, could not find module. So try npm say okay. So there is a way for us to override this the kind of scenarios. Say like get in generator not found, it's not in the registry. So in this case, what we can do is we can just copy these things here. So there are because they are not official TypeScript definition available for package. This means TypeScript does not have built-in information. So you need to generate this one, create a custom typed declaration file inside src folder. So what we are going to do, so this is going to be another topic actually. How we will use a create custom type declaration. So that's also we are completing as part of this video. So I don't know how right now. Okay, 11 minutes, that's fine. So I don't define the type for the package in that file and the following code startup name generator. So the first thing that I really enjoy with chat gpt is like will give all the information that we can understand and we can follow. Not like something. Now you can file and TypeScript. You can use the same way. So I guess right now it will work, but still we are not sure whether this will work in our case. So that's first thing. So I will create another. So right now npm start. So what's gonna happen in this case? If it is working, we are good. So the app we didn't have any problem in this case, but that's not the thing. So we need to have that app.tsx to be here. So app, oh, I'm giving name generator. So here it is. Just a hyphen I'm missing. Just a slash I'm missing. And then it looks like good in the compile. Generate a startup names. So these things are very cool. So I just provide the code and generate so many things in that one. So probably we will make some modification here. So in this case, what we are doing here. So generate names, cool. So what exactly we need here? So that's the question. So probably we will just modify some of these things here. So like um, we need a text area, we need a input field. So what I'm going to do is here is, so this actually we have the div and we need to have the next element inside the div. So that's fine. So let me remove these things. I need to have a input type text and I will accept some values. But the problem is I need to submit. I need to have a form element in this case. So that's something difficult. Just that we can do manually because I don't need to keep all of these things here, right? So I probably do one thing. So these things I am probably add into this website's um, business name generator where we can do like something like this. something like whether the user enter submit and generate things. So that we will do. But right now we are good. Everything is working fine. So if I am just putting tech in this case, let's see what we are getting on that time. So where is my other windows here? So if you are clicking here, pure tech, techanger, that's a good name. And the thing is like you can integrate with techanger. I don't know whether there is something like that. So the things with this one is that what I am saying is like the things techanger.com search domains, you can integrate with the domain name searching. uh, there should be some um, not reseller, there should be some what we will call something with the GoDaddy where you can be a seller affiliate. So here just start up for this and integrate this kind of things into that one. So whenever a customer click on generate a name here, I don't know whether it's generated. Yeah, it will generate a new name for each flow. So then it just make a domain name tech4.com and getting affiliating into this one. So sometime if you promote your website very well, if the things are very good, and if the people are end up in your website, so in that case you have a chance to get some money. So that's the thing. So that's outside of our subject, so I can stop my video right now. So we just discuss uh, all of these things, how we can integrate the startup name generator. I'm not sure how we can create like this. This is a very big process. I don't know. Maybe in future or something we can get dig into it. But before I am closing my video, what I am going to do in uh, another thing that I am going to do in my future things is like if you have a list of items here, we will get the select. We have this one, right? So instead of that one, I will have a window. I will have a regular expression box where you can put a regular expression. Then from the selected test, it will only show that one. So that's my next side projects that I probably will do. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.